Network optimization, that's one that we've been doing for the better part of 10 years. Hundreds of millions of subscribers are using, that are operating under our software today through our various partnerships. And what they're seeing is, it's a different system where we are understanding and inferring network congestion even though we're installed back in the core of the network. So going back to where I said, think one server per data center, right? We don't have thousands of probes out everywhere trying to do this. We're using ML and AI once again to look at data sessions as they're passing through the network and model those to understand which data sessions are being delivered on a connection that's experiencing congestion versus not. And if there's congestion, then we apply our optimization. We'll do, we call it micro shifting. So we'll take say it's a video session, for example, that's filling up its buffer. We can afford to shift delivery of those bytes by a few hundred milliseconds here, a few hundred milliseconds there, without changing the user experience at all, right? So video is maintained, but what it does is it opens up the network for all the other small traffic that's trying to get on and off the channel. So network peaks come down, the number of congested sites on the network goes down as well. So typical performance of that solution, we'll see user speeds go 20-30% faster in congested sites. We also see a reduction in congested sites, typically 20 to 30, even 40% reduction in the number of sites that are experiencing congestion. And that equals big savings for the operator. So for the energy use case, you can imagine a lower energy bill, operating expense goes down. In this use case, you have a CapEx and an OpEx reduction. So less sites that need to be upgraded right now means I don't have to spend that money. I can push it off, I can spend it on other programs, I can make my CapEx more efficient, all while making my network faster. So just to give an example, we've just deployed with a major carrier in Latin America who found that when they turned our solution on, we reduced their congested site count by about 20%. That's going to save them about $150 million per year, just on that. It's a huge savings, and the ROI is close to 20x. So big savings. That's just that one component. They're about to move into the energy and get savings on that component as well. So it's all about savings, and you can do it if you have the right data set.